Welcome to the chilling mystery of Mahalakshmi's disappearance. It's a tale of love, loss, and a whole lot of mystery. Buckle up, because this one's a doozy. Meet Mahalakshmi, a regular girl, living in Bangalore, just trying to make ends meet. She had a boyfriend, Mukti, and things seemed pretty normal. But behind closed doors, their relationship was a roller coaster of ups and downs. A lot of ups, actually, but also a lot of downs. The kind that could shake a building. One day, Mahalakshmi vanished. No one saw her, no one heard from her. It was like she just disappeared into thin air. But then, things got really weird. Her neighbors started smelling a really bad smell coming from her apartment. When they finally opened the door, they found something that would make your skin crawl. The police were called in, and what they found was a scene straight out of a nightmare. Mahalakshmi's body had been dismembered and hidden in a refrigerator. The place was a crime scene, but there were no clues, no fingerprints, no weapons, nothing. It was like the killer had vanished into thin air, just like Mahalakshmi. The cops started looking into Mahalakshmi's life. They talked to her boyfriend, Mukti. He seemed genuinely shocked and heartbroken. They also talked to her friends and family, but no one had any idea who would want to hurt her. It was a mystery, wrapped in a riddle. Then, things took a surprising turn. The police found a suicide note. It was from Mukti. In the note, he confessed to killing Mahalakshmi. But here's the kicker. He said he did it in a fit of rage, and he didn't mean to go that far. Mukti said that Mahalakshmi was constantly nagging him for money and accusing him of cheating. He said he snapped and lost control. But was it really that simple? Or was there something more sinister going on? The case was officially closed, but there were still a lot of unanswered questions. Why did Mukti kill himself after confessing? Was there someone else involved? And what really happened between Mahalakshmi and Mukti that night? To get to the bottom of the mystery, let's take a closer look at the relationship between Mahalakshmi and Mukti. Friends and family described them as a volatile couple. They fought constantly, often over money and Mahalakshmi's demanding nature. It was a toxic relationship, but neither of them seemed willing to let go. On the night of the murder, witnesses reported hearing loud arguments coming from Mahalakshmi's apartment. Neighbors said they heard sounds of a struggle, followed by a sudden silence. This evidence seemed to support Mukti's claim that the killing was a crime of passion. But why did Mukti kill himself? Was he truly remorseful for his actions? Or was he trying to protect someone else? Some people believe that he was involved in something much darker than he let on. Perhaps he was part of a larger criminal network that had ties to Mahalakshmi's disappearance. One theory is that Mahalakshmi was involved in some kind of illegal activity, and Mukti may have stumbled upon something that put his life in danger. Another possibility is that there was a third party involved, someone who was jealous of Mahalakshmi's relationship with Mukti. Perhaps this person was the true killer, and Mukti took the blame to protect them. Unfortunately, the truth about Mahalakshmi's murder may never be fully known. With Mukti's suicide and the lack of physical evidence, it's possible that the case will remain unsolved. But the mystery surrounding her death will continue to haunt those who knew her and loved her. And there you have it. A case that's as twisted as a pretzel. It's a story that will keep you guessing until the very end. And who knows? Maybe one day, someone will come forward with the missing pieces of this puzzle. Until then, be safe and keep your loved ones close. Because in the shadows, secrets still linger, waiting to be uncovered.